Hello student, today we are going to learn more features of word processor. You can make your document more engaging and appealing by using some special features. So the special features are change case, bullets and numbering, find replace, creating a table and inserting cliparts and pictures. So now we are going to discuss how to change case. The change case options available in words are, there are 5 options available in words for change case, that is sentence case, lower case, upper case, capitalize each words and toggle case. Now I am going to show you how to do these cases. So this is a line. If we want to do sentence case, we have to select the text, then we have to go to the home tab. We have to click on the home tab. After that, in the font group, we have to click in the change case. If we click the sentence case, you see sentence case. What is sentence case? In sentence case, the first letter is capital. U, Y is capital. Next, lower case. So if you want to do lower case, you have to click in the change case and click in the lower case. In lower case, all the letters are in lower case, that is small letter. Third is upper case. In upper case, all the letters will be in capital letter. And then next is capitalize each word. For capitalize each word, you see here the first letter of each word is capital. Y is capital, R is capital, the is capital. So first word of each letter is capital. And then is toggle case. I am doing the toggle case. See what happens in toggle case. Toggle case change lowercase letter to uppercase and uppercase letter to lowercase. All the uppercase letter, capital letter is changed into small letters. Next is bullets and numbering. So what is a bullet? A bullet is a dot or a symbol that marks an important line of information. So how to do bullets and numbering? First you have to select it. You have to select the text. Then you have to go to the paragraph group and click in bullet. So choose any bullets or symbol, whatever you like. This is the bullet. So in this way you have to do bullets. And how to do numbering? Similarly, you have to select the names of the students and then you have to click on the number. In paragraph group, you have to click on number and this way you can do the numbering. Next is find and replace. So in find command is used to locate a specific words and replace command is used to replace a specific words or text in a document. Now if you want to find and replace, here I have written some lines. So where we have to go, we have to click on the home tab and then go to the editing group and click on find. When you click on find, a dialog box appears. So in the dialog box, supposing I want to find the word R. So you have to write here A-R-E-R. Then click on the find next. It will show you where the word R is. It will show you the word R. Then replace. For replacing, you have to go to the editing group and click on the replace button. So which word you want to find? Supposing we want to find geography. So we have to write in find what? We have to write geography. So we are writing geography and we want to replace geography with computer. So we have to write in find word geography and then here we have to write replace with, we have to write computer. Computer is in small letter C, we have to write here similar small letter C and then you have to click on replace with. Yes, now you see. Here you see all geography is replaced with computer. Next is creating a table. So table refers to a set of data or arrangement of data in rows and columns. So to create a table, we have to go to the insert tab, then we have to go to the table, insert table, it is okay. I am repeating the how to make the table again, how to create a table. So for creating a table, we have to click on the insert menu, then we have to go to table, then insert table. In insert table, we have to write how many columns, say 3 columns, and then rows, say 3 rows and 3 columns, then okay. So these are the rows, 1 2 3 horizontal line, and vertical lines are the column. In this way we can create a table. Next is our last one is inserting cliparts or pictures. For inserting a clipart, we have to go to the insert menu, then we have to click on the clipart. In the clipart, we are in the search for box, we have to write what type of picture we want to search. Say I am writing here animal, and then we have to click on go. Here we will get the pictures of animals. So we have to click here, and then we have to click on insert. So the picture of animals is inserted. Okay, thank you.